Hello guys, welcome back. Now we start with operators including if statement. If we have a combination of statements to write in a single statement, or we can use these operators and or not. How we can use these operators with if statement? So first of all, if you want to use AND operators, let's use these variables. If a equal to 10 and b is equal to 20, then condition 1 is executed, because condition 1 AND operator refers all of the conditions are true. So first of all, executed, because you can see a is equal to 10 and the b is equal to 20. A equal to 10 and b equal to 20, both of the conditions are true, then AND operator definitely return the answer in the form of true. If we change in condition, else case is printed because the first condition is true, first part of condition is true and the second part of condition is false. You can see AND operator return a false case. So that means now that if AND operator return a true when all of the part of the conditions are true. So now we write OR operator, else if and a same condition, a equal to 10 and b equal to 10, condition true. First of all, I change the statements and operator and OR operator, and let's execute it. OR operator. Here you can see the first condition of if are same but the operators are different. AND operator and NOT operator. AND operator work when all of the conditions are true, but OR operator work when a single part of condition is true from all given conditions. Let's change the condition. If any part of condition, if in first case this part is true, now I change this part is true. Let's check the results. Now again you can see OR operator return a true because the second part of the condition is true. Now check it, else if again write work with NOT operator. NOT operator works in a single statement. If a, here you can see a equal to 10, let's write down a not equal to any number. If we want to say not equal to 20, if any other number a have, then this case is true. First of all, change this number also. Now here you can see else if properly work, because a not equal to 20, condition is a don't have the value 20, but we can see a have 20, so it means 10 not equal to 20. So condition is true, then the body of else if work executely. Now let's meet in the next class.